back to the channel. We're at Exotics. It's going to be a light day. The weather is, you know, it's pretty overcast and cool. This C8 Z06 owner in front of me, I was chatting with him as we were waiting to get in, and it's a pretty new owner, pretty passionate about his platform, which who could blame him? Super cool car. And he's got the high downforce kit on this one. He didn't do the Z07, but he basically did everything he likes about the Z07. So it's got a pretty cool spec. I'll get some photos later. I do like the car a lot, but always fun to see different enthusiasts celebrating their different cars that they love so much. Got Ferraris behind me, and just heading in today on the 28th of June. Hopefully have a fun show, meet some different people, and show off the little green GT2 as I enjoy so much. Thanks for watching.